Dal fry is a very simple and easy dish to make. You can actually make it anytime during the day. This is best enjoyed with some pulao or with some roti by the side. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the dal fry, I'm using 3 different dals, starting with quarter cup of tur dal, quarter cup moong dal, half cup masoor dal. Wash it a few times. Add the dal to the pressure cooker. Pour enough water. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Pressure cook for about 4 to 5 whistles on medium flame. Heat a kadai, add 2 teaspoons ghee and 1 teaspoon oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 red chilies, half teaspoon hing, a few curry leaves. To this add 1 large onion chopped, 2 green chilies chopped, add 1 teaspoon finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon finely chopped ginger. Saute the onions till they are nice and brown. Add 2 tomatoes finely chopped. Saute the tomatoes till they get mushy. The tomatoes are nice and mushy. Add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoons salt. Add a few kasuri methi leaves, crush them and add them. Just mix everything together. Add the cooked and mashed dal. Mix the dal well. Add 1.5 cups of water. Cook the dal for about 15 minutes on medium flame. The dal has been cooking for about 15 minutes. Finally, add half teaspoon of garam masala powder and some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give it a good mix and serve the dal hot. Here is this delicious dal fry, and if you have nothing at home and you want to have something delicious and simple and quick to make, this is the recipe to go: dal fry and roti or dal fry and steamed rice. So do enjoy this recipe and try it. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.